Hello, my friends. Happy Sunday to all of you. So what is going on here? I know many of you are wondering what Congress is actually doing right now to help the American people through this crisis. Well, friends, in today's video, I will be sharing with you the new fourth stimulus check timeline. I also want to explain who might be eligible to receive another stimulus payment and possible deposit dates. So friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video for all of the known details on the fourth stimulus package. Also, do share this video with your friends and family. If they need more reliable stimulus news, please stay tuned until the end of this video to learn who the three winners are of this past Friday's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway. If you are interested in entering this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, when I'll be giving away three $75 Walmart gift cards, please friends, listen for the keyword in this video. So right now, there are millions of people in the US that have been experiencing financial difficulties caused by this crisis. The good news, friends, is that many US states are dipping into that large amount of cash that the government provided to them. Several state governors are now giving out the fourth stimulus checks to specific groups of people. The requirements look different for each state, but all seem to have a few things in common, such as falling into certain income levels or going through some kind of hardship. The state of Arizona has a different take when it comes to stimulus checks. They're giving them out to individuals who are going back to work. Arizona's Back to Work program is offering $2,000 to those who went back to work after being on unemployment, but you have to hold down your new job for at least 8 weeks before getting the $2,000 benefit. California is the only one on the list to give out broad, sweeping stimulus checks that look like the ones that the federal government have provided. Californians earning $75,000 or less were sent a one-time check of $600 or $1,200 as part of the first Golden State stimulus. Then with the second Golden State stimulus, they were eligible for a second stimulus payment, anywhere from $500 to $1,100. That is on top of the extra money that the state paid out through the Young Child Tax Credit to those who have children aged 6 or younger. Also, this year, the state of California will be giving away another Golden State stimulus. In the state of Colorado, they have decided to shift their focus to giving their stimulus checks to the unemployed. The government in Colorado has sent $375 to individuals who had gotten at least one unemployment check between the months of March 15, 2020 and October 24, 2020. Also, in the state of Maine, disaster relief payments have also been sent out. These $285 checks are going out as a thank you to those who were in the workforce during the crisis. For many other U.S. states, their fourth stimulus checks are taking on a new look as teacher bonuses to show teachers the appreciation that they deserve. Many states are providing teachers a fourth stimulus check. But there are many lawmakers that believe that the check should be going out to all Americans. So, my good friends, do you agree with me that more stimulus checks should be provided to the American people? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Canada. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, because I'll be giving away three $75 Walmart gift cards, please remember to click and like my videos. Enter this keyword in the comment section below and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please also make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. There is a petition for $2,000 monthly stimulus checks, and it has already reached its goal of 3 million signatures. Stephanie Bonin, who is a restaurant owner in Denver, started the petition in 2020 when businesses were shut down. As the crisis dragged on, her petition has gained traction, and now there are more than 3 million signatures. Bonin's petition has called for $2,000 monthly payments for adults and $1,000 monthly payments for children. She argued that recurring payments would help Americans until they could get back on their feet and save communities from financial ruin. Representative Ilhan Omar, along with progressive Democratic lawmakers, proposed legislation that would dole out regular stimulus checks, also known as guaranteed income, through monthly payments of up to $1,200 for adults and $600 for children. The Minnesota Congresswoman announced the proposal recently. Ilhan Omar pointed to pilot programs in various places across the country that have provided guaranteed income to some Americans. Representative Omar has argued that the U.S. should become the leader in measuring and safeguarding our people's economic well-being, stating that her legislation would be a start in that direction. The program, if the legislation were to pass, would begin sending out $1,200 checks to most Americans. Also, it would create a $2.5 billion grant program to fund pilot guaranteed income programs across the United States. Well, my good friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Sunday. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you. The 3 winners of this past Friday's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway are Vicki Campbell, Richard Williams, and Teresita Holmes. Congratulations, my friends! Please note, if I have announced you as a winner, do make sure that you check your notifications to claim the $75 Walmart gift card.